Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlynn.
And today we're here because we're going to be unboxing Ashlynn's Stitch Fix box. This is her fall box, and so we try to get Ashlynn a box every 2 to 3 months to kind of update her wardrobe and to replace items that she's grown out of. And so for this box, I think we have requested like jeans, pants, maybe jean jacket like you said, comfy, cozy items to help her transition into the cooler months. And so real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and your likes and dislikes about fashion, and a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items for adults and
10 for kids.
10 items for kids to send to you in your box. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all the items in your box, then you're going to get a 25% discount, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. So we're really excited to get into this box to see what she got this time. When you open up your box, you're going to have a prepaid envelope. This envelope is used to send back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make exchanges, you can put those items in this bag and send it back to Stitch Fix. I love that shipping is free both ways. It makes it really nice and convenient. You're going to have an envelope, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet, and let's see what fix number we're on. This is fix number 14 for Ashlynn. You're also going to have a note from your stylist, and this style card shows you the items that are going to be in her fix. So real quick, I'm going to read her note. Hi Ashlynn, happy fall. I'm so happy to see you again and can't wait for you to check out all of the fun looks I packed into today's box. Since Mom let me know that you needed some new pants, I made sure to pack in a couple of pairs of jeans to get you started. The dark skinny jeans have the same comfy knit fabric that you loved in the past, while the cuffed ankle pair is perfect to wear with ankle booties. I wasn't able to find boots or a denim jacket this time around, but we'll keep a lookout for next time. You and Mom can also look at Stitch Fix Freestyle, our online shop feature, to see if you can find these pieces on your own. Lastly, for a stylish twist on the dresses you've been loving, check out this jumpsuit. Have Mom let me know what you think, and enjoy, Erica. And Erica has been Ashlynn's stylist the whole time, and like I said, her card just shows the different items that are in the box. So we're real excited to get into it, aren't we? Mm-hmm. It's a big box, so do you want to pull out your first bundle?
Yes.
Okay.
This thing's heavy.
All right, so here is her bundle. Looks really nice and pretty and cozy and comfy.
It feels soft.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead and open it up. All right, the first item is...
It's a cute little hoodie.
It's a hoodie. Ashlynn loves hoodies and she loves tie-dye, so this is really cute. This says Crown of Hearts Caden hoodie in blue. It's kind of a lightweight hoodie. It's got the kangaroo pocket on the front.
I love kangaroo pockets.
Yeah, so that's a good one. All right, what's next?
Ooh, I think this is a
Ooh,
dress.
it looks like a dress. So this is by Chenault Girl, the Arial Faux Wrap Maxi dress in pink. And so it's kind of like a peachy pink. And it's got some green, and it's got some kind of like dark fuchsia pink. There's a picture of the floral pattern. Has some ruffle sleeves. It's very soft. Has some cinching at the waist. Oh, I see what you're talking about. Yeah, it's got like this ruffle going across the front, and it looks like it's a high-low. So yeah, that's really soft and pretty, and you could wear that with your jean jacket. Mm-hmm. All right, what's next?
Ooh, this is really soft.
Really soft.
Sweater.
Ooh, very soft. Okay, so this is by RUMI and RYDER, the Chenille cable knit sweater in blue.
I think I have a few sweaters like this.
Yeah, we have a few sweaters, but this one is really soft, and it's got like this little design pattern going down the front. Very, very cute. Very, very soft. All right.
I don't know what this is, but it looks like.
Oh, I think it might be the jumpsuit that she put in the box. Let me get the tag.
Oh yeah, it is.
This is by Social Academy, Quinne brushed ruffle neck jumpsuit in black. It's very soft. Yeah. Okay, so it's a jumpsuit. It's got like a ruffle at the top. It's black, and it's
very
got
soft.
Yeah, some really pretty fall colors in there. It's got like purple. Oh look, Ashlynn, it's got pockets.
Yay!
She loves pockets. It's got some like olive and some like burgundy and some pink and some cream in there. So that's really pretty. That would be cute with some booties. Kind of got a like a wide leg bottom there.
Yeah.
Very cute. You don't have any jumpsuits that you can still fit into, do you?
I used to, but I don't have any.
Yeah. And then a pair of jeans. So these are by Revery Kids, the Becca knit skinny jean in indigo. I think you may have had these exact same pair of jeans that you just outgrew. Yep. Yeah. Okay. So that's good. Just a nice dark wash skinny jean. It's got some fading. I like that. The basic jean that you can wear with lots of tops. So that'll be a good one.
I'm definitely wearing that.
All right. So you got a second bundle. Okay, so here is your second bundle. Let's flip it around so we can see a little bit better.
Ooh, there's something fluffy.
Ooh, something fluffy, some really soft items, some animal print. I like that. And another pair of jeans. Are you ready to open that up?
Yep.
All right, so let me see the tag real quick. We have by Runway the active long sleeve racer back detail top in green. Ooh, it's kind of
long sleeve.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of like the dry fit kind of material here. It's just this really pretty like dark green, almost like a jewel tone green. It's very stretchy.
Soft.
It's got the band down at the bottom. It does have some slips on the sides.
Tiny slits.
Yep, and then it's got this cute little racer back detail here in the back. That's really cute. What do you think about that?
I love it.
That's
I
cute.
think I'll wear it tomorrow.
Okay. Next, let's see.
What is this?
Something soft. It's by R&R, the brush twist front top ruched jogger set. Oh, it's a jogger set.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's two pieces. Okay, so it's attached together. We'll have to
snip it off.
Yep. So this is like a little ruched leg jogger set here in animal print. It's got a drawstring tie here that is workable. And then it's got the little top that goes with it. That's nice and comfy. Very soft. What do you think about the animal print?
I like it.
You know I like animal print.
It matches your shirt kind of.
A little bit, yeah. Okay.
The leopard print.
That would be nice just to have as a comfy and cozy item to wear. Okay. Next is by RUMI and RYDER, the long brush pocket cardigan light gray. Ooh, that's really soft. It's a cardigan, so you could wear it over, you know how like you like to wear some short sleeve tops.
Yeah.
But her classroom gets really cold, so she could put this over top of it. It's kind of like that brush knit, but it's a heathered gray. Let's see how it hangs.
Very cute.
Very cute. Just a basic.
Ooh, it has pockets.
Yep, it has pockets. Just a basic.
Don't you
little
have
soft,
one like this?
I do have one, so we could
be
kind of match
twinsies.
and be twins. So, all right, and then two more items.
Vest.
Ooh,
I used
very
to have
soft.
a vest like this.
So this is by Sovereign Code, the Hermina vest in off-white. And so it's really soft and fluffy.
Ooh, it has like this bunchy waist down here.
It's like a cream color. Let me show. And then some striping. I don't know if you can pick that up, but like
There's like a white and then a black and then like the
cream stripes. Yeah. And then it's got pockets on the front.
They kind of blend in. You can barely see them.
So that would go over a lot of cute little tops. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, and last item.
We have the other jeans that she was talking about.
Okay, these are a little bit lighter wash. Let me read the tag real quick. These are by Revery Kids, the Sherma Fray cuffed ankle skinny jean in indigo. And so it's a little bit of like a medium wash. It's got some fading right here, but it has the cute little cuffed frayed hem, and it is stitched right here, so you don't have to worry about that coming undone. It's just a basic back here, a little bit of fraying on the pockets right there, but that's cute. All right.
It's very cute.
So what are we getting ready to do?
Try on our clothes.
We're gonna try everything on and we'll be right back. All right, we are back with the first item, and this is the Arial Faux Wrap Maxi dress in light pink, and it seems to fit you really well. What do you think about it?
I give this 2 thumbs up because it's really comfortable and also it's really pretty. And it has like this little thing where it's like higher in the front and lower in the back.
Yeah, it's really cute, and I think you could wear a jean jacket with it, and that would look really cute that way. It's got the little ruffle going down the front that gives it that faux wrap look. Yeah.
And then also
There's like a little thing right here.
Yeah, to give it the faux wrap look, yes. Yeah. All right, I definitely think that's 2 thumbs up, and it would be good for pictures. We're going to be taking pictures in a couple weeks, aren't we?
Yeah, in like 2 weeks.
All right, on to the next item. All right, so the next item is this jumpsuit by Social Academy, the Quinne brushed ruffle neck jumpsuit. And it's got some really pretty colors for fall, and it's that brush knit soft material. What do you think?
I like it, and it also has like these little ruffle things right here. And I love how like it like bigger right here.
Like it's got a little bit of a wider leg, and it's got some pockets there, which are cute. The length looks really good on you. We think it'd be really cute with some booties. Yeah, I think this is cute for church. You could wear it for school. All right, we're gonna try the next thing. All right, the third outfit is this jogger set by R&R, the brush twist front top ruched jogger set with the animal print. All right, Ashlynn, what do you think?
I give this 2 thumbs up, and I really love how it kind of has like this, like
Twist front, yeah.
And then it has like a little like, stitch thing.
Has really cute ruching on the outside of the legs. Yep.
So barely.
It's really, really soft. It's lightweight, so I think it's going to be good for fall, but you could also wear it in the winter. It's got pockets there.
And little drawstrings.
Has drawstrings, yep. So yeah, I think it's just a really nice, cozy, comfortable outfit, and the length is perfect for you.
I'll definitely be wearing this a lot.
All right. All right, we're going to try on the next item. All right, the next 2 items. On top, she has the Crown of Hearts, the Caden hoodie that's tie-dye in blue. And then on the bottom, she has the Sherma Fray cuffed ankle skinny jean in a bigger size. And so, Ashlynn, what do you think about this outfit?
I like this outfit, and I love this hoodie because like it's so soft and it's like tie-dye, and I love tie-dye, and I love the kangaroo pocket.
I think the jeans are going to work, you know, at least through fall and winter, because she's growing pretty quickly, getting taller, growing up, aren't you?
Yep.
Cute little casual outfit, and the little jeans have like the frayed cuff on them. Those are cute. I like that outfit together, don't you? Yeah. We're going to try on the next outfit. Be right back. All right. So Ashlynn's next outfit is on top. She has the Chenille cable knit sweater by RUMI and RYDER, and then on the bottom she has the Becca knit skinny jean, which are the jeans she's had before, but just in a bigger size. So Ashlynn, what do you think?
I like this top because it has like this little thing that goes up.
Like a design?
Yeah, the design. And it is a little long in the arms, but that's fine because we can just like roll them up.
It does have like a little bit of a longer back and a slit on the side. So it'd also be a good sweater to wear with some leggings and things like that. What about the jeans, Ashlynn?
I like the jeans because it really is like, they feel soft to me.
Soft and stretchy?
Yes, like,
yep.
They're very stretchy.
So I think she'll be able to wear these through the fall and the winter too. So, all right, we have one more outfit and we'll be right back. Next, we have this green active t-shirt by Runway, the active long sleeve racer back detail top in like a jewel tone green. And so it's got the cute little racer back detail. The length of it is very long, like it's longer in the back and shorter in the front.
It also has the little slit thing right
here. Has the slits on the side. I might check to see if I can exchange the blue sweater and the green top for a smaller size, but we're gonna check it out. All right, Ashlynn, what do you think about the top?
I give it 2 thumbs up, and it's really comfy and soft, and like it's kind of like the silky material.
Like the active wear material.
Yeah.
All right, so she has the vest. We're gonna try putting the vest over top of it. So go ahead and put that over top of it.
Ooh, it's very soft. Like this.
So now she's got the Sovereign Code, the Hermina vest over top of it. What do you think about that vest over that shirt?
I think it would be good.
I think those two pair really well together, actually.
Yeah.
Doesn't have a hood, it just has like a high collar, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Very soft. Like the little stripes on the corner there. Do you want to try the cardigan one with it now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so now she's got the gray cardigan on. This is by RUMI and RYDER. The long brush pocket cardigan. So it is supposed to be longer.
Okay.
So what do you think about that?
I love it, and it's really soft, and me and my mom can be twinsies.
Yep, because I have a cardigan similar to that, don't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that could go over some of her shirts that she wants to wear right now, just to give her a little extra layer. So I think that's really cute. All right.
It's really soft, and like, it's really cute with this.
So what's your favorite thing in your box?
I would have to say the dress.
The dress. All right, we will be back to do a recap. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some of the prices of the items, and this was another great fix for Ashlynn. So first off on the list is the Chenault Girl, the Arial Faux Wrap Maxi dress in light pink, and the cost of this dress was $26. This was Ashlynn's favorite item in her box. Next is by Revery Kids, the Becca knit skinny jean in indigo, and these were $24, and we've had these. They wash and wear very well, so we're definitely going to keep those. Next on the list is by RUMI and RYDER, the brush twist front top jogger set in gray, and the cost of this was $38, and it's a little more expensive, but you're getting 2 items in the set. And it was soft and comfy and cozy. Another item by Chenault Girl, the Quinne brush ruffle neck jumpsuit in black, and this was really pretty. Had some great colors for fall, soft and comfy, and the cost of this is $26. Next is by Sovereign Code, the Hermina vest in off-white, and this is $28. It'll be a good layering piece. Next on the list is by Runway, the active long sleeve racer back long sleeve top in green, and the cost of this is $20. This one was a little bit long, but the length in the sleeves was really good, so I think we're gonna keep that. Next, by Crown of Hearts, the Caden hoodie in blue, and it does have some like pops of purple in there in the tie-dye, so it's really pretty. And so the cost of this is $22. Next, by RUMI and RYDER, the long sleeve brush pocket knit cardigan in light gray, and it is $20. Really soft and comfy and cozy. Another good layering piece for fall and winter. Then we have the Revery Kids, the Sherma Fray cuffed ankle skinny jean in indigo, and these are cute. They're a little bit of a lighter wash than the other pair, and they have that cute little frayed hem, and these are $24. And then last but not least is the RUMI and RYDER, the Chanel cable knit sweater in blue. This is the one item I think I'm going to look to see if I can exchange it for a smaller size, and if I can, I may just do that because it was a little bit long in the arms for her. So, and it is $24. And so the stylist pick subtotal was $252. If she buys all, she gets a 25% discount, which will take off $63. Her order subtotal is $189, and then we get to take off that $20 styling fee that she has for her box, which makes her order total $169. So overall, I think it's a great fall fix, and I'm pretty sure we're going to be keeping everything, just trying to size down in that blue sweater. But you guys tell me what you think, and until next time, bye guys.